Updating your billing address in TurboTax is a straightforward process that ensures your tax documents are sent to the correct location. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes for your 2026 returns. Step 1. Log into TurboTax. Access your TurboTax account by visiting the TurboTax website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with your tax returns. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account or Profile section in the main menu. Click on it to access your account settings where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select Billing Information. Within the account settings, find the option for Billing Information or Payment Information. This section contains your current billing address and other related details. Step 4. Update your address. Click on the option to edit or update your billing address. Enter your new address information accurately, ensuring that all fields are filled out correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your address, look for a Save or Submit button to confirm the changes. Make sure to double-check that your new address is displayed correctly before finalizing. By following these steps, you can easily update your billing address in TurboTax for your 2026 returns. Keeping your information current helps avoid any issues with your tax filings.